I'm Dr. Carol Morgan, and we're going to talk about how to do an informative speech in 5 minutes. First, you need to know the parts of the speech. You have the introduction, body, and conclusion. And you'll also need transitional sentences between the parts of the speech. So let's start with your introduction. It should gain the audience's attention, tell them why you're qualified to talk about the topic, and preview the main points that you'll cover in your speech. Next, you'll have to figure out what your main points are. A speech that is about 5 minutes long will most likely have about 3 main points. So make sure you have enough information to cover each main point equally, because they should all be pretty much equal amounts of time in your speech. Third, you'll need to write a formal conclusion. It should start off by saying that you're at the end of your speech, and you should just use something like "in conclusion" or "to sum up," and that'll tell your audience that you're almost finished with your speech. You should then review what your main points were and then end with an interesting final thought. The audience should be left intrigued and wanting to know even more about the topic. Finally, you'll need to add transitional sentences between all parts of your speech, such as, "Now that we've examined and defined what it means to be a vegetarian, let's move on and talk about the health benefits." You'll also want to have eye contact with your audience and incorporate movement and gestures into your speech. Overall, giving a 5-minute speech effectively depends on preparation and practice. If you follow all of these guidelines, you'll be very successful.